Hello everybody, welcome to a new video again. In this video I will show you some chests. I did already record but the video didn't save, so I need to do everything over. I don't like that. But sorry, I didn't notice I was on vacation. That did let me lose subscribers, I guess, but that's no problem. And oh yeah, if you have a better channel name for me, let it know in the comments down below. And I have a code, but I think I can't show it anymore. Oh yeah, there's just one. You need to touch it. Sometimes it spawns and sometimes not, it doesn't. I don't know here's one or not. I don't know. And another secret. I was trying. No. This is really annoying. You go through that wall. And then please go through. I'm stuck. Sorry, I'm a little bit annoyed because I need to do the recording over. It was blue, white, and then white again. They will get this and throw it in his eye. Then it's gonna sleep, and you get the chest. Oh yeah, and here was the code. You can take a photo if you want. I give you 5 seconds for everything. One, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have missed any, you can just watch that again and pause the video. And I found another, but I think that map isn't here anymore. And the music stopped. Is the map here? I don't think so. And I'm stuck in the water again. That happens many times. But here are so many scammers. I don't like scammers. But I think you can find some ladders around here. For another one, you need to get a seed and oh, I did already show the glitch in this video. But you need to take a cannon with you. Like where is it? The cannons were here, I thought. Here. You need to put it here. And if you want to take a candy. just stay going here. Oh yeah, in that waterfall I already was doing that, but I will show you later. There's a key and then you can go to the Fabi boss. If you're here, you just need to shoot that breakable wall like this. I said shoot the wall, not don't shoot. This cannon is broken. It didn't shoot. Seriously? I think I just need to wait. Don't shoot when I click, please. Now it does work. Then you just go in there. And then grab the chest. I didn't know there's more or not. Maybe at the end of the map. No. Hey, my head is gone. Oh yeah. I forgot to tell you, you need to be without animation and R6 to do this glitch. Seriously, I'm dead. That's why I use the skin. Oops. So. Plane please, here. Plane. This and candies for if I need them. Oops. I will take a look at the end of the map. Maybe it's just under the map, but I don't know. Or first I will get the key, because I think the map will change over some seconds. Or minutes. No, 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 no. Where is it? Yay. This is what I wanted. Oh yeah, first you need to do this. And then this. I was doing the blue one. I tried many of them. But I will try again. I think this. But... Are you kidding me? I forgot to do the glitch. Just put a cake in your body so they can't attack you. They will get stuck then. That's really weird, but it works. This time I don't take a risk. Just do it like this. And I don't care about this. Why? Why does this happen to me? Yeah, finally I ate one. I think I just go to the end. Then I will show it in another video. The key. Oh yeah, can I get in team white or not? I will just try once. He doesn't accept me, I guess. So now I will do it in another video, the key part. They accepted me, yay. Scammers again. Where are the other team people? It was this, I hope so. Oh yeah, the list was removed. That's why I did or not. I needed one more block for literally. I literally needed one more block. But that's not problem. I will just do it like this. Okay then. That was not good. Oh yeah, I know already what I do wrong. Do this little higher, then a ladder. You guys remember the glitch if you watch my videos more. If you did watch the video, I don't know you did or not. It needed to be unshirt, but I don't exactly know it's needed or not. What other people said. Where's the plane? Here. Did I do? I don't think so. That will work too. I hope so. So now I'm not on church. thingy. I think so. Is the glitch broken now? Hey, don't stop this. So now I will... Wait, what? Do you think it will work? I'm not sure. I forgot the glitch how it works. I guess it was like this. Don't let me fall, please. Yay. But still, it's not perfect. I literally forgot the whole glitch. Or do I? I think I know again. This was just dump. I didn't know. It's one of the easiest glitch, and I forget it. I don't know it's removed or not. Let's just try it. I don't think they want it. Bruh. This was not my plan. I know you need to shoot these things, but then you first need the key for it. Plane and seats. So will they come this time or not? Huh? I can't die. Best glitch ever. And I can die again. Hmm. I was just lucky I didn't die. Okay, they liked glitch, I guess. I have a better idea. It was 5 or 6 people, so we're glitching. I have a moon jump without candy. Oh wait, I have candy. Okay, I think I will make another video because they like this glitch. So everyone, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.